Hello children, hope you all are fine. Today in our maths class we shall continue with our lesson 4-digit numbers, but before that let us watch a small video.
We have already studied the relationship between ones, tens and hundreds. We know that 10 ones make 1 10 and 10 tens are equal to 100. Now, when we group 10 hundreds together, we get 1,000. We already know the different ways to write a 3-digit number. Today, let us take the 4-digit number 1,243 and show it in different ways. Let us begin. 1. We can use blocks to show the ones, tens, hundreds and thousands in the number as 1 block of 1,000, 2 blocks of 100, 4 blocks of tens and 3 blocks of ones.
Children, in the previous video we had learnt or warmed up with digits, 3-digit numbers. Today we are going to continue with the new lesson, 4-digit numbers. What are 4-digit numbers? How do we form them? So shall we start, children? Here, I also want you all to keep your neat notes open along with your textbooks, children. There are few question answers which we will be working out in our neat notes. And the few that can be written in the textbook, we shall continue with the textbook itself. So shall we move forward? Yes. Here it says 10 hundreds. This is 1 square of hundreds. So 10 hundreds like this, a series of 10 hundreds is equal to 1,000. Now how do we write the number 1,000? We write it as 1 and 1, 2, 3 zeros. So it forms as 1,000. Now counting in thousands. These cuboids which are formed will represent thousands. So here if there is 1 cuboid, it will represent to 1,000. And the number name is written as 1,000. 2 cuboids will represent 2,000 written in number figure like this and in words or number name as 2,000. Same goes with 3,000 till 9,000. Shall we turn the page? In the previous page we saw the counting of 1,000. Now we shall see the forming of 4-digit numbers. 1,000 is expressed in words as 1,000. 1,001 is expressed as 1,001. Now this is 1,010 is expressed as 1,010. Since the pencil writing is not clearly visible, children, I shall continue with the black pen, but I want you all to write in your pencils. Okay, write in pencil in your textbook. The next number, this is 1101. So it is 1,101. 1,101. The next number is 1,102 is expressed as 1,102. You can also form numbers from 1,000 till 9,999 just as you did from 100 to 999. Wherein the smallest 3-digit number is 100 and the highest 3-digit number is 999. Similarly, 1000 is the smallest number in 4-digit numbers and 9999 is the largest number in 4 digits. Then look at this. Here 2 cuboids make 2000, 2 cubes make 200, 3 rectangles make 30 and 1 small square makes 1. So here it means to say that this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and this is thousands place. So the number is written as 2231, which is read as 2231. So this is how we form 4-digit numbers. Now we shall move on to the exercise wherein we need to write the numbers and number names. This we shall do it in the textbook, children. For the next main, I want you all to keep your notebooks ready. So shall we go forward? Yes. So here we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 cuboids, which is 3000. 1 cube, which is 100. 2 rectangles, 20s, and 2 small squares, that is 2. So the number is 3122, which is written as 3122. The next number. There are 2 cuboids and the cube is missing here. So 2 cuboids becomes 2000. No cube. So it will be 0. 3 rectangles make 3 and 1 small square makes 1. So this is written as 2031. The next one, 1, 2, 3, 1. There are no tens, so 0, 1, 2, 3. So this becomes 3103. The last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 thousands. There are no hundreds, there are no tens, so both will be zeros. Units are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this becomes 5008. So the first main we have finished. Shall we write the second main in the neat notes? Please open your neat notes, children. This will be the first page of your neat notes, wherein you will write the lesson name, that is 1, 4-digit numbers. And then we shall write the exercise number EXERCISE 1.2. Of this we will be writing the B main as represent the following numbers using a cuboid, a cube, a rectangle, and a small square. Of this, first question is 2134. Now we have to represent this using cuboids, cubes, rectangle, and small squares. How do we make a cuboid? I'll just show you how you need to make a cuboid. This is how you will make a cuboid. You shall be drawing a small square first, and one more square over it, and then you will join their ends like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Shall I do it once again? Please be careful, children. This is how it is done. One square, write one more square over it and join the ends. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is how the cuboids are done. So this is how we will be drawing even in our neat notes. So we shall continue with this. 2000. So we should be drawing how many cuboids? 1 and 2 cuboids. So 1, 2 cuboids, and 100, which is just 1 cube, 3 tens, that is rectangles, 1, 2, 3, and 4 small squares, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have represented using the symbols 2134. The next one, 5243 is written as 5 cuboids. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5th one, and then we have 2 hundreds, 1, 2, 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3 small squares, 1, 2, 3. Shall we write the next number? 1250. Only 1000, 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 0 ones. So we will not write any small squares here. The 4th one, 2104. So 2 cuboids, 1, 2, we have finished 2 cuboids, 100, tens is 0, so we don't draw anything for tens, and 4 units, ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next number, 3026. 3 cuboids, 3 cuboids, 0 hundreds, so we don't write anything for hundreds, and 2 tens, 6 ones. The next one, the sixth one, 2300. So 2 cuboids, 3 hundreds, and 0 tens, 0 units. So nothing to draw. Seventh one, 2000. So here we draw only 2 cuboids and nothing else, because there are no other numbers, it's all 0. The eighth one, 1050. 1 cuboid and no hundreds, 5 tens and 0 ones. So we have finished this main. Let us see the textbook now. So by this we have finished both the mains. We shall turn the page now, which is regarding the abacus. So please turn your page, children. On the next page we find numbers on the abacus. So here on this abacus we have 4 sticks, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Here it shows 10 ones make 1 10. That means if we count this, we have 10 beads on the stick of ones, but it can also be written as 1 10 on the tens stick on the abacus. Similarly, 10 tens make 100. Here we have 10 beads on the tens stick. It can also be written as 1 bead on the hundreds stick. Similarly, 10 hundreds make 1000. We have 10 hundreds on the 100 stick of abacus, which can also be written as 1000 on the thousandth stick of the abacus. Also, 2 beads on the 1000th stick of abacus represents 2000. 3 beads represent 3000, and so on goes on till 9000. Okay, shall we continue with the next page? We shall do an exercise which is given on the next page. Please turn the page, children. Before we continue with the exercise, we also have an example shown here. 2853 on the abacus has to be shown. So here this is the abacus wherein we have 1000, 100, tens, ones. So it says 2853. 3 beads on the 3 beads on the ones, 5 beads on the tens, 8 beads on the 100 stick, and 2 beads on the 1000 stick. So this will be represented in this way on the abacus, wherein we can count the beads and write the number as 2853. So here it says 2853 has 5 in the tens place. We put 5 beads in the tens column. Similarly, we have 3 beads in the ones column, and then 8 in the hundreds column, and finally 2 in the thousands column. So we put how many beads in the thousands column? We put 2 beads on the thousands column. The next one, just for an exercise, how will you show the number 3017? Here, once we have to put the ones here is 7. So, 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1 bead on tens, 0 bead on hundreds, and 3 beads on thousands. 1, 2, 3. So, it makes 7 ones, 1 tens, 0 hundreds, and 3 thousands. The same thing we have to show for the number 5625 on Abacus, wherein 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 on tens, 1, 2. 6 on hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 5 on thousand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how it will be written on the Abacus. So same thing we have to do here with an exercise. Also write their number names here. So this part we will be writing in the textbook and not in the neat notes. So shall we continue, children? I shall be using a black pen to write here, children, but you will be using your pencils itself. So the first one is done for us. It says 2315, wherein 2 beads on thousands, 3 beads on hundreds, 1 bead on tens and 5 beads on ones. And it is written as 2315. The next one we shall do. There are 1, 2, 3. 3000, 100, 110 and 2 ones. So the number name will be 3000, 112. The next one. How many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. The number name is, the third one, I have written it for you all. It is 5234. Now we shall turn the page, children. On this page it says, show the numbers on the abacus and write their number names. So we have to draw the beads and write the number names here. 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 10. 0, 100. So nothing on the 100 stick, 100 column, and now it is 1000, 3. On the column of 1000 we are going to draw 3 beads. So it is 3015. The next one. 3 on ones column, nothing on tens, 6 on hundreds column and 1 on 1000 column. So it is 1000, 603. The next one, 3 on 1 column, nothing on 10, nothing on 100 column, 5 on 1000 column, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is written as 5003. The next one, nothing on 1 column, 6 on 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 on 100, 1, 2, 3. 5 on 1000, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And it is written as 5360. The next one, 3 on ones, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0 on 100 and 9 on 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it is written as 9000. 9000 83. The next one, 6 on one's column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 on hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 on thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4. And written as 4,576. The next one, read the abacus and write the numbers and their number names as the first main we did. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 6,132. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3,244. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 0, 2. 7,102. So this was about the numbers or beads working on abacus. Shall we turn the page, children?